Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video, let's do some interesting diagram. So first, I'm going to draw three lines and three faces in horizontal and the vertical. So total there are six faces. So here first I'm drawing a dog and then shading with the light orange, and then with the pussy cat shading with the gray sketch and with the piggy bunny, and then I'm gonna draw a monkey and shade them with a black sketch, and then next I'm gonna draw an eyes, lips, nose, and drawing a cartoon and shading with yellow color. Then I'm drawing a pig. Let's move on. So using 6 times I'm drawing, and first I'm drawing a vegetable of a pumpkin, and then a fruit of apple, and then I'm drawing a bird and using a black sketch shading them. Again using a 5, again I'm drawing one more bird and shading with the black sketch, and here's a penguin. Next I'm drawing a rat, and then next I'm drawing an hen. So here's a beautiful diagram using a 5. Let's move on. So using 1 2 3 4, so using 0 I'm just doing an omelette and shading them, and then I'm drawing an ice cream using 1, and then let's move on. I'm drawing a 2 using a biscuit bag, and then using a 3 I'm drawing a ice cream, and using 4 I'm drawing french fries, using 5 I'm drawing apple, using 6 I'm drawing a chocolate, and finally using 7 I'm drawing a juice. Let's move on. So here I'm drawing a chili, shading them with the red and green, and the next I'm drawing a pumpkin and then shading with the orange. Let's move on. Here again I'm drawing a cabbage, so with the green leaf and the white, and then I'm drawing a peas and shading them with green sketch, and then I'm drawing a mushroom and sketching them with the brown color, and the brinjal sketching them with purple. 6 circles, and I'm drawing different types of faces. So here I'm showing how to draw different faces. So first I'm drawing an ears, eyes, nose, and the lips, and here's a pussy cat, and the third one I'm drawing an pig, and the fourth one I'm drawing a dog, and the fifth one I'm drawing a teddy bear, and the sixth one is a monkey. Again I'm drawing 6 circles and showing different types of birds, and here's a honeybee and shading them with the yellow, and another we are drawing a bug, and then again we are drawing a fish with another circle, and then shading them with red. Again I'm drawing a rat, and then again I'm drawing a snail, and then again I'm drawing a tortoise. Here's a beautiful animal.